If you are looking for amazing AI software, then you may have stumbled upon Jetbrains. You also may have stumbled upon Github Copilot. Today we're going to explore what features they actually offer and how they can benefit you. So let's do it. So Jetbrains AI powers intelligent features across all Jetbrains IDEs. It's got seamless integration with your workflow. It's awesome. It also leverages multiple AI models, including OpenAI, Google Vertex AI, and JetBrains' own proprietary LLM. You can see that it is context aware. So it has code generation and advanced completions to boost your productivity. It also automatically creates tests and it translates codes between different coding languages. It is an AI chat assistant with debugging explanations and an iterative solution. So this really helps you do more. You can also generate commit messages, documentation, and code refactorings instantly. The last thing over here is their security and their flexibility. So it has minimal data transmitted to AI providers, which means your code never trains third-party models. Also, it is an on-premises LLM, which is a great option coming for organizations with more stricter compliance needs. Their costs and their integrations, there are no additional costs. Their AI features come built into the JetBrains IDEs. You also get regular updates, and you have cutting-edge AI advancements without changing providers. This is fantastic. It's tailored for each specific IDE and development environment, which really allows you to customize your experience. So jumping into GitHub here, GitHub's Copilot is fantastic. I have actually used it before, very easy to use. It's developed by GitHub and OpenAI, and it integrates directly into your favorite code editor. It also offers real-time code completions as you type, adapting to your personal coding style. This is great because you're not becoming over-dependent on the assistant, but it's actually working with you instead of doing the work for you. It also works with JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, and many other programming languages. So whatever language it is that you are using, it is compatible. You can see also over here, some of the key benefits is that it boosts your speed. So your average productivity increases for experienced developers by up to 55%. It also has more than 100 programming languages and frameworks that are supported. And it reduces the time spent writing repetitive code patterns by 75%. That is really amazing. You can see over here some of their additional features. It continues to evolve with powerful capabilities that enhance your development experience rather than take it over. You can see that it has a Copilot chat, so you can actually get coding questions answered directly within your editor without context switching. You can also see that it has command line integration, which we spoke about earlier on. It generates shell commands through natural language descriptions. It also receives clear explanations of errors and suggested fixes. And then it automatically generates concise PR descriptions from your code changes, which again is absolutely fantastic. It's a great all-in-one tool. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. All of the software that we have explored today is amazing. There's no doubt about that. The takeaway here, though, is to go ahead and try each and every one of them. Figure out what works for you as an individual and what serves your needs. If this was helpful, you can drop us a like to show your support. I will see you next time.